Okay, welcome back to BeYourOwnIT.com's free video series. Today we're going to be taking a look at Microsoft Excel. I just want to show a few brief shortcuts that you can use to make Excel a lot more powerful than simply a place to organize data. It can actually work for you. Some of the easy equations that are out there that I want to show you are sum, average, count, max, min, of course, which isn't viewed here. How to do an equation, and how to do maybe a little more complicated equation, and then how to pull the same value down. I'm going to go through these somewhat quickly because YouTube limits my time. For example, if you have a large series of numbers, here are only 3, maybe you have 100 or more. In an open field, you can type the equal sign, capital SUM, and then simply click the values. I'll show you how to do it on this one. Sum, then just click. Oop, just kidding. You need to do a parentheses there. Then use the plus key on your numeric keypad and hit enter. There we go. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. That easy. Average, exactly the same way. Down here, you type the equal sign, then you spell out average. Now here, it's actually two values separated by a colon. So if I wanted to take the average of, here you see C2 through C4. So it's going to add C2, 3, and 4, and then take their average. The cell name and number, or the cell identification, is the first letter is across the top here, and then so it's basically your column letter and your row number. Count, you'd use this maybe to see how many entries you had in a database, or maybe in an address book or something like that. Same way. Equals count, you can spell it out, or you can use up here this little symbol is a shortcut, and it even has a ton more than I'm showing you. And so you can see 4. Well, why is 4? Well, 4 values, 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't add, it just counts the values. To use that button, let's just delete this. Okay, so now it's empty. Now if I wanted to find it out, I just highlight these, including the last empty one, and choose count, and they'll automatically fill it in, same as the longhand version. Max, let's say you had hundreds of numbers and you wanted to find out what was the max number. Same thing, except this one, like average, is separated by colons. Again, you can hand type it out, or you can highlight the field, including where you want the final number to go, and choose max. If this isn't appearing, it should be under View, Toolbars, or I'm sorry, Formula Bar, so you can see what you're typing here. Another one, the equation. People say, how do you do an equation in Excel? Real easy, just like you do it on pen and paper with math. So remember back to old math class. I wanted to add 1, 2, and 5, so I would type equal, always equal, 1 plus 2 plus 5, and just hit enter. Adds it for me. Real easy. Let's say you want to do something a little more complicated. I have 1 plus 2 plus 5 over 2. Let's say I just wanted to take a half of that. Same way. Use the equation. Here you can use a parentheses, just like math, order of operations. 1 plus 2 plus 5, close the parentheses, and now divide it by 2, and hit enter. 4. That easy. Let's say you have an address book and everybody lives in one state, or everybody has the same first name. Maybe, I don't know where that would happen, but maybe everyone does. You just click once on the field, and then you see how it's a big, like a thick plus sign. You go to the lower right-hand corner, so it becomes a skinny one. Click and hold, and just drag down, just like that. Really saves you a lot of time if you're making a big list and you don't want to sit there and type over and over again. Show that again, just lower right and drag it down. There's a lot more you can do out there with Microsoft Excel. These are barely scratching the surface. If there's something that you want to do, and you just want to know how to do it, make sure you email us at help@beyourownit.com. You can go to our website at beyourownit.com and visit our free tech support forum and ask your question there. Or, of course, as always, you can send me a message here on YouTube, and I should be able to get it back. And remember, if you ever have a question and you have the ability to do a video response and show me what you're doing, that would be great. Go ahead and do a response, and so I can see what you see, or send me screenshots, whatever you need to do. Again, thanks for watching, and make sure you check out our website. I don't think I've plugged it quite enough at beyourownit.com. I know it's new. There's not a ton of stuff out there, but please go to it. Use the forum. We'd love to answer your questions. You guys have a great night.